Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to automate website content updates using AI agent. So here, as an owner of a fashion brand, I need to regularly update the content of the products on my website, but doing it manually is a time-consuming process because some products have descriptions, special offers, etc. Therefore, I have decided to automate this entire process with the help of my AI agent and Pabbly Connect. So now, as soon as in my Google Sheets, a new row is going to be added along with the details of the product which requires update, automatically my AI agent is going to generate the content of the update and it is going to send a message notification to my team members regarding the update. So here, in order to automate this entire process, I'm not going to use any kind of coding and programming skills, but I'm going to integrate all these applications with the help of Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing automation and integration software. So for your business, if you also want to learn this amazing automation step by step, for that you have to come towards my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. In this video, we are going to learn step by step how to automate website content updates using AI agent and Pabbly Connect. So here, as an owner of a fashion brand, I need to regularly update the products which I am selling through my websites, and the details which I want to update could be related to special offers, keywords, themes, anything. So this is actually a hectic task to manage everything manually. Therefore, I have decided to automate this process with the help of my AI agent, that is OpenAI. Now, every time I'm going to add a new row in my spreadsheet regarding the details which I want to update in the products of my website, then automatically the content in the creative format for those updates are going to be generated and it is going to be sent to my team members on my Google chat space automatically so that my team members could review and further update the websites accordingly. So here, let me show you how this automation is actually going to work. First of all, I'm going to add a new row over here in front of you. Let's say the theme is eco-friendly pics. The products and all of the details also I'm going to add. So here, as I have added a new row in front of you for bamboo toothbrush with the keywords, tone, special offers and the section to be updated home page highlight box. So I will take you towards my Google chat space, and here we got another message for our team members. Hey team, fresh content has been generated for AI agent by our AI agent for the home page highlight box this week. Featured product is bamboo toothbrush. Then we have the content, and here we have the generated content. Okay, so you can see that how easily the content is generated for each of the product update, and also it is automatically sent to the team members. We have not used any kind of coding and programming skills to create this automation. We have simply connected the applications such as Google Sheets, AI agent and Google Chat Space with the help of Pabbly Connect. So without any further wait, let's start creating this amazing automation step by step. To start with the process, in your new tab, type pabbly.com/connect in your browser, which is going to then take you towards the landing page of Pabbly Connect, where you can find two options, sign in and sign up for free. So if you are already an existing user like me, just click on sign in to log into your account directly. But if you are a new user, you have to click on this sign up for free button. It will help you to create a free new account just in 2 minutes. Also, when you will do that, you're going to receive 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software and to test multiple automations. Now, as an existing user, currently I'm going to click on sign in. This is all app section where we can find all the products which are offered by Pabbly. To create this automation, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So let's click on access now. It has now taken us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. On the dashboard, we can find all the workflows which we have created. And to save the workflows, we can also create separate folders like this. Now, to create a new workflow, let's click on this create workflow option. As we have done that, our dialog box is open in front of us, which is asking us to provide a name to this workflow. So let me quickly provide a name over here. Automate website content updates using AI agent. After giving the name to this workflow, now I'm going to select the folder. So you can see I have a list of folders over here. Among these folders, the automation which I'm going to create is related to AI. So I'm going to select AI automations as my folder. And now I'm going to click on create. As we have done that, now a new screen is open in front of us. The screen contains two extremely important windows. We have trigger and action over here. So trigger and actions are the two main concepts, the principles, or we can say these are the building blocks on which entire automation runs. The trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. That means the action is the response towards our trigger. So whatever we are going to select in our trigger is going to command the entire workflow, and the actions are going to follow that same command. Therefore, we can have only one trigger in any workflow, but we can add as many action steps as we want. Now let's suppose here I want that every time a new row will be added along with the details of a new product which is to be updated in my Google Sheets, automatically the content to be updated should be generated with the help of my AI agent, that is OpenAI. For that, here I'm going to take Google Sheets in trigger and OpenAI in my action step. When we are going to build the connection between these applications, then we will see that action is going to follow what the trigger commands, because when the trigger happens, that means when a new row will be added in our Google Sheets, then only the required content for the product update is going to be generated with the help of OpenAI, otherwise not. So after understanding the whole concept of trigger in action, let us start creating this automation step by step. So to start with the process, let's go towards our trigger step and let us select Google Sheets as our trigger application. If you're using any other application to collect the details of product updates, for example, any form builder application or any other database, you can also select that over here. Then we have to select the trigger event. So on the happening of its specific event inside Google Sheets, you want to capture the response and start your workflow. So here I want that when a new or updated spreadsheet row will be added in Google Sheets, my workflow should start. You can see we have received a webhook URL over here, and also we have received some instructions. So by following the given instructions step by step carefully, we need to insert the webhook URL inside our Google Sheets, and as we will do that, then the webhook URL is actually going to act as a bridge for transferring the data of every new row which is added in our Google Sheets towards Pabbly Connect. So here first of all I will explain you the spreadsheet which I have created for website content. So here we have the week for which the plan is created. Then we have the theme of the week, featured products, keywords, tone, special offer, and the section to be updated in the product. So here now we are going to go towards extensions, add-ons, and here we have the option of get add-ons. When you will go towards Google Workspace Marketplace with the help of this, here we have to search for Pabbly Connect Webhooks. Pabbly Connect Webhook is the add-on which we need to install in Google Sheets to build the connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect. You can see that I have already installed this add-on, so I'm going to cross it. If you are installing the add-on for the very first time, you also have to refresh your spreadsheet. Then only you will be able to find the option of Pabbly Connect Webhooks under extensions. As I can see the option over here, let's go towards initial setup. The webhook URL first of all, which we have received from Pabbly Connect, and then the trigger column. So you have to decide a specific column which is going to act as your triggered column in the spreadsheet. The concept of trigger column says that whenever a new row will be added in your spreadsheet up till this column, the data will be automatically sent of the entire row towards Pabbly Connect. So in my case, you can see that I have the spreadsheet which contains the column up till G, section to update. This is very important column. So here I have decided G as my trigger column, as I want that every time a new row will be added in my spreadsheet along with a new product to be updated, then automatically the row will be sent towards Pabbly Connect only when the row is filled in my spreadsheet up till G column and not before that. After entering the trigger column, now let's click on send test to send the test response towards Pabbly Connect. Over here, as the test data is sent successfully, let's submit the initial setup. As we have submitted it, now let's click on cross. We'll go back towards Pabbly Connect, and here we have received the response. In the response, we have received all the details. So let's start reading them one by one. First of all, we have the date of the week, the trigger column, the tone, the theme, the spreadsheet name, spreadsheet ID. Then we have the special offer for which the content to be generated. We have the sheet name, sheet ID, section to be updated. Then we have the row index. That means the row number which we have received as the response, keywords, and then we have the featured product. You can see that here the connection is built between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect, as we want that every time we are going to add a new row over here in the spreadsheet, the data will be keep on sending towards Pabbly Connect automatically. For that, let's go towards extensions, Pabbly Connect Webhooks, and here we have the option of send on event this time. So we have to click on this button. As we have done that, now we have made sure that every time a new row will be added in our spreadsheet, the data will be keep on sending towards Pabbly Connect successfully. So after building the connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect successfully, let's move forward towards generating the content to be updated in the website. I'm going to use my AI agent to generate the content, and here the AI agent is OpenAI. So let's select OpenAI as our action application. If you're using any other AI application to generate your content, you can also select that over here in your action application. We have to select the action event. So I'm going to use ChatGPT to generate my content. I have selected action event as ChatGPT. And now let's click on connect. To build the connection between OpenAI and Pabbly Connect, you can see we have two options. Before building this connection, you can see that I am already logged into my OpenAI platform. You also have to keep in mind to keep logging to the applications which you want to connect with Pabbly Connect to make the process of the connection simple and easier. Here we have two options, add new connection and select existing connection. So if you already have an existing connection, you can quickly go with that. To create a new connection, you have to select add new connection and you have to provide a token. To get the token, just click on the hyperlink. It is going to take you towards the API key page of OpenAI platform where you have to generate the token. So let's click on this new secret key button. Let's say here the name I'm going to provide to the key is website content, just a random name. You have to select the project in which you want to save your key. If you have multiple projects, select any of them. If you have a single one, you can select like this. Let's click on create secret key button and the key is ready. So let's click on copy. You will go back and paste it over here like this. You will click on save and your connection will be successfully built. But here I have already built a connection earlier with my OpenAI account. So I'm going to currently go with my existing connection only. And the connection is built. So let's move forward. Here we have to first of all select the model by using which we want to generate the content. So here we have GPT-4o mini as the AI model by using which I want to generate my content. Then we have to move forward towards the very important and the highlight step of this automation, that is prompt. Prompt is actually the command which we need to provide to ChatGPT that what we actually want it to do for us. Here in my case, I want to generate the content that is to be updated regarding the product in my website and I have to send it to my team members as a message. So here the prompt will be accordingly. I need to generate the content on the basis of the details which I have received from Google Sheets. So in the prompt, I have to provide those details as well. So here you have to keep in mind that your prompt should be on point, clear and well instructed, which should contain each and every detail which should be there in your content and also the data which you do not want to be there in your content, such as specific words, space, or symbols. Alright, so according to my use case here, my prompt is going to be, so this is my prompt. You are a professional fashion website copywriter. Based on the information below, generate content specifically for the section that needs updating. So here I'm going to first of all provide theme, featured product, keywords, tone, special offer, section to update. Rules. If the section to update is homepage banner, generate a catchy banner headline highlighting the theme and special offer in the specified tone. If the section to update is featured product, write 2-3 line introduction for the featured product, naturally using the keywords and tone. If the section to update is special offer, create a promotional sentence announcing the special offer, making it sound exciting. If the section to update is highlight box or similar, write a short paragraph of 3 to 4 lines summarizing the week's theme, featured products and special offer together in a lively, energetic way. Always maintain the requested tone and keep the text friendly, clear and persuasive with no extra symbols. Like, now one by one I'm going to provide the details which we have received from Google Sheets. So here first of all it is asking us for the theme. Let's map the theme like this from the previous step. Instead of entering the data manually, we are using mapping method. Now it is asking us the featured product. So here we have the featured product. Then we have the keywords. We have the tone which is to be used. Special offer if there is any. Section to update, and here done. So as I've mapped these details directly from the previous step, they have become dynamic and automatically now with every new response they are going to replace. So whenever a new row will be added in the Google Sheets, automatically these details will get replaced along with the new details of that new row. In this way we are going to automate the entire process of product updates automatically with the help of, in this way we are going to automate our entire process of generating product updates automatically. So let's click on save and send test request button after providing the on point prompt, so that the content could be generated. We got the content over here. And as the content is received, now I'm going to send it as a message to my team members on Google Chat Space so that further they can review it and make the updates. So here for that, I'm going to build the connection between Google Chat and Pabbly Connect. So for that, we are going to select Google Chat Hangout as our action application. The action event will be create message. Let's click on connect. To build the connection between Google Chat and Pabbly Connect, let's click on this learn more option first of all, as we require chat webhook URL. It is going to take us towards Pabbly forum page where we can find all the instructions how to build the connection between Google Chat and Pabbly Connect. First of all, we have to copy this avatar URL from here. and we have to go towards the space on which we want to send the message. So this is my marketing space. We have to go towards the name of the space, and here we have apps and integrations. After coming over here, we have the option of webhooks. So let's click on this add webhook button. We have to first of all provide a name to the webhook, and it is going to be viewed, and it is going to be appeared automatically whenever the message will be received. So here you have to give the name carefully. New product update. Then we have to paste the avatar URL over here, and let's click on save. As we have done that, now it is providing us the chat webhook URL with the name as new product update. So let's click on the three dots. Let's copy the link. We'll go back and we'll paste the chat webhook URL over here. Then we have to enter the message over here. So let's say the message is, hey team, fresh content has been generated by our AI agent for the, and here I'm going to simply map homepage, banner and product intros this week. So here I'm going to then provide feature product. So I'm going to map the name of the product, then the content. And here I'm going to quickly map the content which we have received. Okay, and then finally I'm going to enter. Please review the content carefully and update the website accordingly by EOD today. Thanks. I'm going to click on save and send test request button. And here, as we have done that, the response is captured. So I will take you towards my space, and over here we have got the message with the name as new product update, and we have the entire message over here. This means that yes, our connection is built successfully between Google Sheets, OpenAI and Google Chat. And now every time a new row will be added in our Google Sheets, automatically the content for the product is going to be generated, and it is going to be sent on our team members, and it is going to be sent on our Google Chat space. So let's say in front of you, I'm going to add a new row over here so that we can check whether our workflow is running fine or not. So here I have added the row. The product is Tech Gadgets Week. The featured product are smartwatches. Keywords, here we have tone, we have special offer, and then here sections to be updated. As I have entered the details, now I'm going to take you towards my Google Chat space quickly. And here we got another message. Hey team, fresh content has been generated by our AI agent for the featured product section this week. Featured products are smartwatches, and the content is given over here. So yes, our automation is created. Our workflow is also running absolutely fine. In a similar manner, for your website content updates, you can also very easily automate the entire process without any coding and programming skills by following the same steps as I have shown you in the video. Apart from this, if you do not want to send the message on your Google Chat space, you can also use any other action application to send the updates anywhere else where you want. Thank you for watching the video. Not only these applications, but you can integrate multiple such amazing applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any doubt, you can write us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you want to ask about the pricing, you can visit this website given over here. Do not forget to share our videos, like our video, and also subscribe our channel for more such amazing automations.